Yo, let's do this. What's up, babe? I am asking, man, what it do? What is your name? I just wanna know if it's cool, pick you up, babe. Hit up downtown, do the fool, yeah, what's up, baby? Here with you and me. What's up, babe? I am asking, man, what it do? What is your name? I just wanna know if you're cool, pick you up, babe. Hit up downtown, do the fool, yeah, what's up, baby? Here with you and me. What's up, babe? I am messing, man, don't you dare call me Rashay. Zone on my home, blade chrome, doing my thing. West to the east, mile 6, that's my place. When I hit the road, lead town, 75 way. Girl, you got my eye, you got a little bank body. The way you got that fit, you about your business probably. I feel I must have been, just be real about it. Not just your body mentality, you got me digging, shawty. I am not a chump, I ain't never been a scrub, man. I said do the damn thing, girl, get with me. I don't got a stick game, kicking, we be coolin' when they get down to the dick game, girl, get with me. Mr. Six Figures, by my business, ever since I was a kid, girl, gon' get with me. Travel across the 48, build my studio, now time to take over the rap game, girl, get with me. Hot and I'm popular, been rapping all through my hood, ain't no stopping us. Dropping, they copping us. Sushi allergic, but you girl is chopping her. Not on the topic of lip drip, my hot now, body rock now. Took a trip over to Chi-Town, cop the penthouse, digging her down. Top down, hit the spot now. Whipping shot it like a Lambo, take the car out. On the drive now, hot now, body rock now. Took a trip over to Chi-Town, cop the penthouse, digging her down. Top down, hit the spot now. Whipping shot it like a Lambo, take her car out for a drive now. What's up, babe? I am messing, man, what it do? What is your name? I just wanna know if it's cool, pick you up, babe. Hit up downtown, do the fool, yeah, what's up, baby? Here with you and me. What's up, babe? I am asking, man, what it do? What is your name? I just wanna know if it's cool, pick you up, babe. Hit up downtown, do the fool, yeah, what's up, baby? Here with you and me. What's up, babe? Yeah. Yo. I like the way bro did his beats. Now, I found out he make beats. He got the YouTube channel where he do hood movie reviews. And based off of that, you gotta respect him as a comedian. He an all-star. I just watched that Baby Boy Part 1 and 2. Genius. Hilarious. Make sure to stop by the merchandise page to check out Primm Hood Cenima merchandise on Teespring. Make sure y'all stop by bro SoundCloud page to check out the beats he be throwing down on. He be getting it in. And make sure you buy my shirts too, with your dumb ass.